if we move on to maths, now quickly I want you to type and tell me in the chat box that what all is included in the LKG maths. What all is usually included in LKG maths? Numbers, very good. What else? Shapes. What else?
Colors. Numbers, shapes.
Number addition, okay, that's what number operations, part of numbers. Besides this, colors, what else? Shapes, addition, subtraction, colors, numbers, shapes, what else? Is there anything else? Number names, all right, very good. What else? Counting, directions, very good. Directions, telling time, very good. Isra, thank you, Shabad. What else is included in math?
Greater than and less than concepts.
Which concepts, Kimi?
Greater than and less than.
Greater than, less than, very good. That's again related to numbers, very good. What else? Anything else?
Concept
More
of
and less, very good. Isra, more and less.
heavy,
What else?
light. Number line.
Number line. All right, I heard somebody saying heavy and light, right? How is heavy and light connected to maths?
Weight.
More and less.
Weight, right. So do you know, okay, if I show you two things, which is big and which is small?
The cucumber.
The cucumber is big and the tomato is small. So what are you comparing in this?
Size.
So you're measuring. The children do not know how to measure in inches, centimeters, kilometers, but looking visually, they can tell you this if it is big and small depending upon the size, right? Okay, if I make them, if supposing I make, this is, what is this, a crayon box, and this is a crayon, and if I ask them to hold it with both their hands and tell them which is heavy and which is light, what is heavy?
Boxes.
The box is heavy and the crayon is light. So in this there, what are they comparing or measuring?
Weight.
The weight, right? In the earlier one, they were measuring the size. In this, they're measuring the weight. Now, for example, I ask you, which is long, which is short? What will you tell me?
One is long.
One is short and the pen is long. So you comparing on the basis of length. Very good. Now, if I convert this and I tell you what is tall and what is short. What is tall?
Pen is
The pen is tall and this is short. So you're comparing on the basis of height. So do you see with measurement can also be done without centimeters, inches, kilometers, meters. It can be done visually on the basis of size, which is big and small, of length, which is long and short, basis of height, tall and short, basis of quantity, more and less. Do you see that how measurement is also a part of your maths now? And this can be done with concrete activities. Okay, so in your maths book, you will see that measurement is a very, very essential thing. Now, supposing somebody mentioned sorting, there are few things that I need to know before numbers. So if supposing I have a few pens in my hand, the child is counting 1, 2, 3. Right? So what is the child doing? The child is doing one-to-one correspondence. That the child is saying 1, so he's showing 1. The child is saying 2, so this is 2. The child is saying 3, this is 3. So one-to-one correspondence is happening. A lot of times you must have seen the children double count. They would say 1, 2, 3, 4. Why does that happen? Because that one-to-one correspondence is not there. So when the children are counting, we usually tell them to do 1, 2, and 3, so that they don't miss anything while counting and they do not even double count. So one-to-one correspondence is a skill that you need before numbers. So that is also covered in your book. Besides this, you also do space. Supposing, now you tell me, This is a pen stand. Okay. Can you tell me the pencil is inside the pen stand or outside?
Inside.
Now, where is the pencil? Outside. So inside, outside is spatial understanding, understanding space. This is also a concept of maths. Now, if I look at you, tell me one thing, Shabd, which is near you and one thing which is far from you. Anything, Shabd, can you tell me which is near to you and which is far from you?
Like I have eraser in my hand, it is near to me, and if I that table is there, and that is
Far
not
from you.
that is a little far from.
So that's the distance that you're talking about. Yeah, children might not tell you that how far is it, but they understand near and far. So that's the basic of understanding space in your area. Now, understanding directions like left and right is also a part of your spatial understanding. So do you see, maths is not only about numbers and shapes. It is also about measurement. It is also about understanding, space. It is also about data collection, right? Data collection would mean that if I have 20 children in my class, I ask all the children, which is your favorite color? Now, some of you might say my favorite color is blue. So out of 30, 5 are saying blue, 10 are saying pink, 3 are saying green. So that is, you are collecting data from the data which is available to you. So now maths as a whole, whatever we are doing, is given there in your book. All these concepts are there in your maths book. All right. So now I want to ask you certain things. Let me see if you're able to answer. Okay. So who is Wafa? Are you there? Wafa, Wafa Sheikh, am I pronouncing your name correctly?
No, my name is Mubina. Wafa is my daughter, actually.
For me, right now, you are Wafa because I can see Wafa.
Okay.
Right? So now I'm asking you that can you show me or can you tell me a shape which has no sides?
Circle.
Very good. All right. So, Kimi, can you tell me something which has 2 long sides and 2 short sides?
A rectangle.
Very good. Okay. What about, let me see who I want to ask. Poonam, are you there? I don't know if Poonam is there or not. Okay. So, Isra, are you there? Isra, are you there? Or Bennett or Sushmita? Who's there? All right. Bennett, can you tell me a shape which has 3 corners?
Rectangle.
Triangle.
Oh, sorry, triangle.
Rectangle or triangle?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay, what is this? Which shape is this?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. And how many sides does it have?
4.
And does it have all equal sides?
No. Equal sides.
2 big sides and 2 small sides. So you can ask this kind of riddles and questions also to your children when you're doing this. Okay.